Sparklines are tiny charts that show trends in a series of values. Another good thing about them is that they highlight the highest and the lowest values. There are three types of sparklines. This time, we will learn how to create column sparklines, so stay tuned. For our chart, we selected only 10 countries. The date ranges only from May 1 to 13. Instead of total confirmed cases from our original data, we only need the new confirmed cases per day. For example, new confirmed cases of Brazil in May 1 is computed as cumulative number in May 1 of 92,202 minus cumulative number in April 30 of 87,187 equals new cases of 5,015. The same formula will be applied to the other dates and countries. We have this table with new confirmed cases per day. To create Sparklines chart, go to Insert tab, then go to Sparklines section, then select Column. A dialog box will emerge. Select the cells that contain the range of data. For location range, click this arrow and select the cells where you want to present the sparklines. Click this arrow or press enter in your keyboard, then click OK. Now we have column sparklines for each country. The next thing to do is go to Show section. Here we are going to highlight the highest value for each country. We will also highlight the lowest value. If you don't like the appearance of the sparklines, you can go to Style section. Click this arrow and you have plenty of styles to choose from. Let's choose a certain style. By going to Sparkline Color, you can change the color of the bar. We can also change the colors of the markers. Go to Marker Color. We can change the color of the high point marker. Since high point means high number of coronavirus cases, we choose red. Go again to Marker Color. This time, change the color of the low point into blue. Look at the sparklines. It is very easy to see the bar that represents the highest value. However, the bar that represents the lowest value is not that visible and difficult to see. To solve this issue, click any of the sparklines, go to Group section, and click Access. Under Vertical Axis Minimum Value Options, click Custom Value. The minimum value should be 0. Then click OK. Now the blue bar that represents the lowest value is more visible. You can have background color to your sparklines by selecting all the sparklines. Under Home tab, change the fill color. Now our tiny charts look better. It's time for us to analyze the data. If you look at the total number of confirmed cases as of May 13, USA and United Kingdom are two of those countries that have high cumulative numbers of cases, suggesting a worse situation than other countries. However, Sparklines will give us a different perspective. Between May 1 to May 13, both USA and UK got their highest number of new cases on May 1. Both of them also got lowest number of new cases on the last few days of our data. The bars of both countries show a decreasing number of new cases. If this pattern will continue in coming days, this will indicate a good development for both countries. Italy also has the same pattern. We have the option to present only the first two columns. However, hiding the data columns will make our sparklines disappear. Don't worry, there's a solution. Undo what you have done. Click any of the sparklines. Go to Design tab, go to Edit Data, then select Hidden and Empty Cells. In a dialog box, put a check mark on Show Data in Hidden Rows and Columns, then click OK. Let's hide again the columns that contain our data. Now, our sparklines are still here. That's it. This is another way of visualizing time series data. Watch also the videos on how to create line sparklines. Like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell icon for more updates. To know more about time series data visualization, click these end screens. Thanks for watching.